Hey everybody, this is Peter. I'm out here at Kriete Truck Center in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. We are looking at a 2019 Freightliner Cascadia. It's got 657,000 miles on it, Detroit engine, DT12, 12-speed automatic transmission, battery APU. This Cascadia sleeper has been through our service department. It's been DOT'd and ready to hit the road. It does come with a 90-day warranty. Call or text me 920-934-0867. We do have financing options available. Come out to Kriete Truck Center. We have lots of other Freightliners, Kenworths, Volvo, and Max sleepers just like this truck. 920-934-0867. Have a great day.